Today on Enso Homestead, we're making some turkey tail mushroom tea. Turkey tail looks like a little turkey tail with the concentric rings. It's also got pores on the underside and it's white. When you're harvesting mushrooms, you can use a knife to just cut them off the log and put them in a paper bag to help to absorb the moisture. Not a bad harvest for today. With everybody freaking out about the coronavirus, this should make some good immune system boosting tea. After you've harvested the turkey tail mushroom, go in and just grab a good handful and give it a rinse. After you've rinsed the turkey tail mushroom, just cut them up into small pieces. You want about a quarter cup of chopped up turkey tail mushroom. You want about a pint glass of water. And then add your quarter cup of turkey tail mushroom. And simmer that for about an hour. After about an hour, it should look like this. Then just strain out the mushrooms. Sometimes I'll add a spoonful of honey. Pretty good stuff.